Made in America Gift Guide. Thoughtful gifts that support U.S. businesses. If you've ever struggled to find a gift that feels meaningful, high quality, and aligned with your values, you're not alone. More and more people are asking the same question when they shop. Where was this made? And who does it support? Today on InfoTrend, we're diving into a Made in America gift guide, a practical, thoughtful look at gifts that support U.S. workers, small businesses, and domestic manufacturing. Whether you're shopping for the holidays, a birthday, or a special occasion, these gift ideas are designed to last longer, feel more personal, and make a real impact beyond the moment they're opened. Buying American-made isn't about trends or politics. For many shoppers, it's about quality, transparency, and intention. It's about choosing products that are built to last, made under higher labor standards, and produced by companies that often reinvest in their local communities. And as global supply chains continue to face disruptions, interest in American-made products has only grown stronger. Let's start with one of the most popular gift categories, clothing and apparel. When it comes to American-made clothing, the difference is often felt immediately. The fabrics are heavier, the stitching is stronger, and the fit is designed for durability rather than disposability. Many U.S. apparel companies focus on timeless basics rather than fast fashion trends, which makes their products ideal gifts. Items like cotton t-shirts, long-sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies made in the U.S. tend to hold their shape after repeated washes. They don't thin out, fade quickly, or fall apart after a season. A well-made sweatshirt or jacket can become someone's go-to piece for years, which is exactly what you want in a gift. Denim is another standout category. American-made jeans are often produced in smaller batches, using traditional techniques and higher quality denim. While they may cost more upfront, they usually last far longer than mass-produced alternatives. Giving a pair of well-made jeans is less about fashion and more about craftsmanship. Accessories pair perfectly with apparel gifts. Leather goods made in America are especially popular because of their durability and character. Wallets, belts, bags, and key holders crafted from full grain. Leather develop a natural patina over time, meaning they actually look better the more they're used. These are gifts that age with the person who owns them. Moving into the home, American-made home goods offer some of the most versatile gift options available. Candles are a classic gift, but American-made candles often stand out for their ingredients and production methods. Many U.S. candle makers use soy or beeswax, cotton wicks, and essential oil-based scents. These candles burn cleaner and longer, making them a thoughtful choice for people who value a cozy home environment without overpowering fragrances. Kitchen and dining items are another excellent option. Cast iron cookware is one of the most iconic American-made products, and for good reason. A cast iron skillet or Dutch oven can last generations when properly cared for. It's a gift that combines practicality, durability, and tradition. Cutting boards, utensils, and kitchen tools made in the U.S. often use sustainably sourced wood and food-safe finishes. These items are both functional and beautiful, making them perfect for home cooks and entertainers. A solid wooden cutting board or set of utensils feels personal and intentional, not generic. For coffee and tea lovers, American-made drinkware and consumables are always appreciated. Locally roasted coffee beans, specialty teas, ceramic mugs, and kettles made in the U.S. turn everyday routines into something special. Pairing a locally roasted coffee blend with a handmade mug instantly elevates a simple gift into a complete experience. Now let's talk about gifts for people who love their workspace, whether that's an office, studio, or home setup. American-made desk accessories are gaining popularity as more people work remotely. Items like phone stands, laptop risers, desk organizers, and cable management solutions made in the U.S. focus on design and longevity. These gifts are practical, stylish, and used daily, which makes them incredibly effective. Stationery and writing tools are another strong category. Notebooks, journals, and pens produced in the U.S. often emphasize quality paper, thoughtful design, and durability. A well-crafted notebook or pen can become part of someone's daily routine, making it a gift that feels personal rather than decorative. Everyday carry items, often referred to as EDC gear, are also popular American-made gifts. This includes items like flashlights, multi-tools, pocket knives, and wallets designed for daily use. These products are typically engineered for reliability and function, and many are made by companies with decades of experience in domestic manufacturing. For families and children, American-made toys and games offer peace of mind and lasting value. Wooden toys, puzzles, and educational games made in the U.S. are often designed with safety, creativity, and durability in mind. Parents frequently seek out American-made toys because they meet higher safety standards and avoid questionable materials. These toys encourage imaginative play rather than passive screen time, which many families appreciate. Board games made in the U.S. are also experiencing a resurgence. Family game nights are becoming more popular, and domestically produced games offer quality components and thoughtful design. Giving a board game is more than just a gift. It's an invitation to spend time together. Books are another meaningful gift option that often gets overlooked. Supporting American authors, publishers, and printers helps sustain the creative ecosystem. Whether it's a children's book, novel, or nonfiction title, books remain one of the most personal and lasting gifts you can give. Wellness and self-care. Gifts are another area where American-made products shine. Handmade soaps, lotions, skincare items, and grooming products made in the U.S. often focus on simple ingredient lists and small batch production. These products appeal to people who want transparency and quality in what they use on their bodies. A thoughtfully assembled self-care kit makes a great gift for almost anyone. Fitness and outdoor enthusiasts also have plenty of American-made options. Exercise equipment, resistance bands, yoga mats, camping gear, and backpacks produced domestically are designed for real-world use and durability. These gifts are ideal for people who value function, performance, and craftsmanship. One of the biggest benefits of choosing American-made gifts is knowing where your money goes. Instead of supporting massive, opaque supply chains, you're often supporting small businesses, skilled workers, and local communities. Many American manufacturers openly share their story, their process, and their mission, which adds meaning to every purchase. It's important to pay attention to labeling when shopping. Not all products marketed as American-made meet the same standards. Phrases like "made in USA" with imported materials differ from products that are fully manufactured domestically. Reading product descriptions and researching brands helps ensure your gift aligns with your intention. As consumer awareness continues to grow, the Made in America movement is becoming less niche and more mainstream. People want products that last, companies they can trust, and purchases that align with their values. Gifts made in the U.S. often check all of those boxes. Before you give an American-made gift, consider adding a personal note, explaining why you chose it. Letting the recipient know that their gift supports U.S. workers or small businesses adds an extra layer of meaning. It transforms a physical item into a story. At the end of the day, the best gifts aren't always the most expensive or flashy. They're the ones that are useful, well-made, and chosen with intention. American-made gifts offer a unique opportunity to give something that reflects care, quality, and impact. If you found this Made in America gift guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and share it with someone who's still searching for the perfect gift. And don't forget to subscribe to InfoTrend for more trend-focused guides, consumer insights, and clear explanations of what's shaping the world around us. In our next video, we'll explore another growing consumer trend that's changing how people shop, spend, and think about value, and it's one you won't want to miss.